Hey friends, if you wish to fix the issue of mouse wheel zooming instead of scrolling on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, obviously, the first reason is that the control key might be stuck. Why? Because I'm scrolling right now and it's zooming. So, whenever you scroll along with the control key, it will zoom. Now, in some cases, what happens is that you are maybe using a Bluetooth keyboard, and in that case, the Bluetooth keyboard might have been placed somewhere else and something might have been on top of the control key. So just verify whether the control key is pressed or not. And if that doesn't help, then obviously update the mouse drivers. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Now expand the list for mice and other pointing devices. Right click on the first one and select update drivers. Right click on the second one and then select update drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.